Okay, so let's continue with our next question. Question 17. Read along with me. Which statement is true? So we have to find which of these four statements, A, B, C and D, are true. And true means like. About these 3 ice creams and 4 flowers. So let's take a look at statement A. Read along with me. Flowers are more than ice cream. Are flowers more than ice cream? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice creams. And how many flowers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 flowers. So what is bigger, 3 or 4? Yes, 4 is bigger than 3. So option A is our answer. Let me take it. And let's see what option B, C and D have in store for us. Option B. Flowers are less than ice cream. Are the flowers less than ice cream? Definitely not. Flowers are more than ice cream, as you know. Let's see what statement C has. Flowers are equal to ice cream. So, equal means same in number. So, the statements want to say that the flowers and ice creams are of the same number. Are they of same number? Are 3 and 4 the same number? No. They are not. So this is definitely not our answer. And option D, ice creams are more than flowers. No, not at all. Flowers are more than ice cream. So our answer is option A. Flowers are more than ice cream. So I ticked it. So this question is completed. Let's move on to the next question. 18. Which number comes just after 57? So we have to find the after number of 57. So what comes after 57? That means what number is after 57? What is it? Yes, it is 58. So we have to find which of these 4 options. So 58. Does option A show 58? No. It shows 60. Does option B show 58? No, it shows 56. The before number of 57. But we need the after number of 57. 58. Does option C show 58? Does it? Yes! Option C shows 58. So let me tick it. And what does option D show? Yes, it shows 52. Definitely not our answer. So this is the end of this question. Okay, so let's continue with our next question. Read along with me. Question 19. Which comes in between? So we have to find the between number of 31 and 33. So what is the between number of 31 and 33? Yes, it is 32. So we have to find the option which shows 32. Does option A show 32? No, it shows 30. 30. Does option B show 32? No, it shows 35. Does option C show 32? Yes, option C shows 32. So let me take it. And option D shows 3, 1, 31. So our answer is option C, or 32. And now let's see the last question of our first chapter. Question 20. After this question, we will move on to our next chapter, addition and subtraction. So quickly, let's do this question. What is the correct descending order of 40, 30, 10, 20? So in a ascending order, we go from the smallest number to the biggest number. But in descending order, you go to the biggest number to the smallest number. So we have to find a descending order of 40, 30, 10 and 20. So one of these four options, the descending order of this loop of numbers. So is option A. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. Is it in descending order? No, no, no. It is in ascending order, not in descending order. Is option B in descending order? 40, 30, 20 and 10. And is that in descending order? Yes! And if you observe option A and option B, you will see that in the ascending order, 10 is first and 40 is at last. They go from smallest to biggest. But in option B, descending order, they go from biggest to smallest, like 40, 30, 20, 10, 10. So, our answer is option B. Now let's see what option C and D have in store for us. Option C, 40, 10, 20, 30. Is that in any order? No, 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 no. It's just a random sequence of numbers like 10, 30, 40, 60, like that. 20, like that. It's just a random sequence of numbers. Not in ascending order, in descending order, it's in no order. And option D is 10, 30, 40 and 20 is also in no order. It's just a sequence of numbers, a random sequence of numbers. So our answer is option B.